Hey there. Today we're drawing the Galaxy Vampire. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So this one actually started as a doodle I did years ago in a notebook, and because I doodled it in ink, I couldn't erase it, and I thought, I found it, let's go ahead and redo it proper. So with this one, my brain was automatically thinking Vampira and Plan 9 from Outer Space. So I figured, okay, this is a chance for me again to draw a female character. I'm not good at that, and I'm not good at drawing hair, so I figured let's take a stab at that as well. The pointy ears, that's my thing. That's what I do. My thought on this was basically they're from outer space, so I'm going to give them some greenish skin. And instead of adding highlights, I just kind of kept it flat. I did throw in some halftones and some weird texture pencil stuff that's in there as well, kind of happening in the background. But added the dark lips, the dark eyeshadow. I gave the dress a purple collar. Purple and vampires, just, it's a great mix. And I just kind of kept going with it. I threw a halftone in the hair as well. Can't really see it. It doesn't really pop out until I throw on the purple background, and then you can kind of see it. Rather than do black hair, I went ahead and did white hair just to mix things up a bit. There you go. Quick doodle. Hope you dig it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks for hanging out.